Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My clan We Can Do This took part in a tournament and today I'm going to show you some attacks of a round of that tournament. So let's watch it. This is my clan We Can Do This. Presently it's taking part in a tournament. You can have a look at the stats of the clan. This is a 12 versus 12 attack. This is basically a lava loon attack. First we will deploy 1 or 2 balloons to check the presence of any air traps there, and then we will deploy our lava hound so that the air defense targets it and gets locked on it, and in lieu of it we will take our battle blimp to the core of the base. In the battle blimp there are super wizards. We will deploy some invisibility spells so that they can destroy the core without getting disturbed. Deploy 1 or 2 balloons to check the presence of any Tesla farm if you have a doubt. Deploy your king and queen for funneling, as well as they can take down some defenses if you are lucky enough. You can also deploy some troops like the ice golem to support them. Use jump spell to help your heroes to clear their way so that they don't unnecessarily indulge in attacking the walls. Deploy the 2 remaining lava hounds and behind them deploy all your balloons to start the clearance of the other side. Use the Grand Warden with the balloons so that you can use the ability later on in the attack to protect the loons. Use the ability as per your requirement. With experience, you'll know when to use the ability. Use the spells according to your convenience. Start the clearance of the base with the remaining troops so that you don't time fail the attack. This is a TH11 versus 11 attack. Zap Witch strategy has been used here. You have to take down the multiple infernos with the help of the lightning spells, and then you can attack with ease. I've already uploaded a video on Zap Witch. If you want to see it, I'll put a link at the end of the video. After the multi-targeted inferno have been destroyed, deploy the golems and your heroes, and behind them deploy all the witches. And deploy your siege barrack also there. Use the warden ability so that your troops can defend the eagle shockwave. Use your jump spell cleverly as it can change the whole view of the war. Use it at a place where it could open more number of compartments, or at a place where it could make way for your troops to get into a defensive building which is giving more and more damage to your troops to take it down. Once most of the defensive buildings are destroyed, start the clearance with the help of the other troops so that you don't time fail the attack. This is a TH9 vs 9 attack. Half ground, half air strategy has been used here. Deploy all the golems so that the defenses get locked on them, and from behind it deploy all the wizards so that they can damage the buildings. You can also deploy your heroes along with them. Use the jump spell very carefully. Once your ground troops have done their part, deploy the lava hound, and behind them deploy all the balloons so they can take down more of the defenses. Use the spells as per your convenience. With experience, you'll know how to use the spells efficiently. With the left out troops, start the clearance of the base so that you don't time fail the attack. This is a TH8 vs 8 attack. O-wipe strategy has been used here. First deploy all your golems and then deploy the wizards behind them. Deploy your king and clan castle troops to help the golem and wizards. Take bowlers in clan castle. Never forget to use poison spell on opponent CC troops. Use the rage spell so that the bowlers can attack more fast. Use your hog riders to take out defenses from the base. Use the healing spell to protect the hogs. Start the clearance with the remaining troops so that you don't time fail the attack. Hi guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and leave your valuable comments down below so that I can improve my content and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.